Shalom friends.
Shalom friends. Today we want to show you something very special.
We are in Portugal.
We are in Portugal and we want to show and demonstrate you today how to make every single Ninebot scooter from the new generation, from the new lineup faster. And we have a best of this year and the SEGWAY GT E for Europe. It's a 25 km/h edition, and today we want to show you how to increase the speed to 50 km/h, how to enable cruise control and zero start.
So instruction.
If you buy the license key, you get a step-by-step instruction. It's very easy, but today we want to show it to you. We want to make it live with you, so you can look, you can watch, and you can learn, and you can subscribe to this channel.
Let's watch this. This is a GTE without a zero start. So you have to push the scooter to 3 km/h to get it started, and with the license code it is away. So you can start with 0 km/h. And
can you just show the people how fast the scooter is?
Okay.
Maybe it's fake.
Okay.
Maybe the people say it's fake. We have to wait. We have to push the wheel. Okay. I hope you see everything. 25 km/h. It's not fast, but it's legal at the moment. And now we want to make the scooter faster. We just need an iPhone, a laptop, an Android phone, no problem. Please hold this. If you use the iPhone, you have to need the Bluefi internet browser. Don't use Safari. With Safari don't work. So you will need the Bluefi browser.
Okay, so it needs the Bluetooth connection.
Yeah, you need Bluetooth connectivity to make this faster. So, one moment please.
Watch the view here, it's incredible. We will show you now, step by step, how to get it work, and it's very easy.
Yeah, step 1, close the Ninebot app. You have to really close the Ninebot app. You have to activate Bluetooth on your smartphone, and you have to give the browser the Bluetooth permission. So the browser is able to search for Bluetooth object. And go to this website here. Then click open. Now you see Ninebot web tuning. Seems good. Connect scooter. And now Gerät auswählen. Choose device in English. And this is our scooter. And you hear maybe a beep sound. And now, please wait, we are connecting. Now we have to wait. Tap on the power button on your scooter. Okay, let's do this. Maybe press 1 or 2 times. Please wait, we are connecting. So now we see here Ninebot Super Scooter GT3. Very nice. Now we click on install modded firmware. And now enter license key. The license key you got in the description. Just click on the link escooter-tuning.shop. Then you can buy a license key.
Yeah.
And,
very easy, and you get the email and you get every instruction you need. So
yeah, it's full automatic. You get an automatic email. So now we use the code here. Click on submit, and we have install modded firmware. And at the moment we have a lot of people who make their scooter faster. So maybe this can take a few minutes or few seconds maybe, few minutes maybe. And if you have this install modded firmware preparing, just wait. If it don't work, just try it again 10 minutes later.
So
okay, my friends, now it works. We have not a good signal. Now we have Wi-Fi, and you see it works.
And it's very hot in Portugal.
It's very hot, so we make it inside maybe.
In the garage.
Yeah, we are at 75%, now 80. It takes 1 or 2 minutes, I think. Please check that you have good signal if you do this.
It should work now.
But first, let's go to the SEGWAY app, and we can show you what is now possible with the scooter. So you can connect to the SEGWAY app, but don't do any updates, please. And now let's connect. We have more scooters here. So it's that was the right one. So we can click on Einstellungen.
We have also a GT3 Pro here, and this is a beast.
We click on Einstellungen. It's settings in German, and we see the scooter here. And now we can click on something like Startgeschwindigkeit, and we can make this to 0. And now we have
Zero start.
Zero start there. Warte mal, this scooter is very heavy.
Yeah.
But
25. So you have 0 start, 25 original.
Press the Tempomat button, please, the cruise control button. Da ist einmal da drauf drücken. Muss noch einmal kurz drauf drücken.
Ah, okay.
And cruise control, we have cruise control 2, you see it works. And now we show you how to make this faster. We don't want to show the brake trick code because it's it's a secret, but if you buy a key, you get it in the instruction. Please don't share this. Yeah. And we see you in 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Okay.
So,
nice.
10 seconds later, you see 50 kilometers per hour. Very easy, very nice. And this is a SEGWAY GTE with the newest firmware.
Yeah. So it's very nice because you have more speed and more acceleration. No, it's very nice. So if you want to make your scooter faster, every SEGWAY generation scooter, just watch escooter-tuning.shop and you get the license key. And
all links are in the description. Please leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. That would be very nice. And then we see you next time.
And then we are hitting this one.
And,
on this
and very important, this works for the ZT3,
also
for the G3, and for the F3. Which version, which country version of scooter do you have?
Doesn't matter.
It's not important. It works with every version. Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. And
Thank
if you have us some questions down below, or maybe an email, but don't overuse it.
Ich hole mir jetzt ein Malzbier. Bis dann.